Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be placing a case which also is a screen protector for your Apple Watch. So right here, this is the Apple Watch that I've got right now, and we're just going to do that as a sample. So here's the case that we bought this time. So something that we get with the cases usually is this stuff. And in this case, my screen's not dirty enough. This watch is pretty new, so I'm not going to use these this time, but we would use the wet one first, then dry it up with this one. What I like to use are these type of cloths just to clean it up really quick. And then if there's any dust around it, I would use any type of sticker. So here's the case that I've got right now. And all we have to do is just take out the back first. So that's really simple. This is the back. Once that's taken off, we can go on and to place this on top of it. So it's gonna be this simple. So obviously the first part would be here, and then you just snap it in. As long as you snap it in place, you're all done. That's your screen protector and case. And right now we're just gonna take this off. And here we go. So here's the case plus screen protector. Screen protectors should never get in the way of your screen. And as you guys can see, it doesn't. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.